Assalamu alaikum guys. As you all know that I post educational videos. My main perspective is just about physical therapy aspects that I want to let people know why our field is important and how it is interdisciplinary field and how it is correlating with other domains of the healthcare system. So the trigeminal nerve is the largest cranial nerve, and it has both sensory and motor fibers like all the rest of the cranial nerves. The trigeminal nerve, it has 4 nuclei: main motor nucleus, main sensory nucleus, mesencephalic nucleus, and spinal nucleus. So if I talk about the proprioception, if from physical therapy perspective, if proprioceptive fibers from extraocular muscles as well as the muscles of mastication, the muscles of mastication, how we chew, and the extraocular muscles around the eyes. So they are the proprioceptive fibers of the trigeminal nerve. If I talk about the semilunar ganglion, the semilunar ganglion of the trigeminal nerve deals with. So why trigeminal nerves explanation was important, because if your muscles around your eyes, some people, they have droopy eyelids, some people, they have the lateral and inward kind of pupils. So why these things happen? Because of the paralysis of the extraocular muscles and the involvement of trigeminal nerve, obviously. So that's why it is important to understand this cranial nerve, which is the largest cranial nerve. Cerebral palsy is a neurodevelopmental disorder. It is an electrostatic condition of the brain when the growth of the brain is impeding and the neuronal pathways, they are highly affected and disturbed, and the calcium channels and the voltage gated channels of your brain, all the neuronal activity is severely compromised. So cerebral palsy, as I said, now there is ataxic CP. Ataxic means the balance is involved, the balance is severely impaired, the equilibrium, the posture is severely misaligned in ataxic CP because of the involvement of the balance centers, the vestibulocochlear nerve. If your vestibulocochlear nerve is involved, so these kind of individuals, they suffer from ataxic. When the right side of the brain is affected, your speech is affected, and so that's that kind of CP. And then there are pathways when the movement is affected because of the weakness of the muscles of the peripheries, like the upper limbs and the lower extremities. So that is left side affected. When the left side of the brain is affected, your weakness and paralysis occurs. So this is basically, it's a giant